Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through why Asana feels slow and what causes it, fixing Asana lag, Asana lagging issues, Asana slow performance, and Asana freezing problems with step-by-step fixes. To fix Asana lag, clear cache and cookies, use incognito mode, check your internet connection and network stability, disable browser extensions and VPN, and optimize your device performance. Clean up your workspace. Update your browser and reduce workload size. Temporary server-side delays can also be an issue. Identify and address the root cause to resolve Asana lag. Most common reasons include heavy workspaces, browser or cache issues, internet connection and network stability, browser, extensions and VPN interference, and device performance. Fixing these issues can improve Asana performance and prevent lag. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.